Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So today I am here to discuss about the geometry part. Okay, you all know that geometry is very important in our every exam. So we have to clear our basic things in geometry. So from today I will try to discuss all the main parts of geometry one by one, and first, I will try to discuss the basic things so that there will be no doubt in anything. Okay, today our topic is triangle. In geometry, the first chapter always deals with triangle. It's very important, and for every exam, you can see triangle is very important. At least one or two question you can see from triangle chapter. Okay, so it is very important for every exam. So first I will discuss about the definition of triangle. Here already I have drawn a picture. Okay, this is the picture of triangle. Now which are the conditions that must be fulfilled to make a geometrical shape triangle? First is closed. Second is three sides. Third is three angles. Closed means the shape must not be opened. Okay, it will be bounded from each side. There will be no open circumference or any open lining. Now three side means straight line. Okay, line segment, that is called side basically. So here you can see three sides are present here. You can see in the diagram already three sides are present here, and third point is three angles. So these are the three angles. Then the diagram is a triangle. You can see as closed, three sides, three angles, all the properties are present here. So this is the triangle. Now you have to know about the naming process of a triangle. It's very important for the geometric part. So see here you can see three vertices are present in the triangle. Vertex means the connecting point of two lines. So name this vertex by using any alphabet, and the alphabet must be in capital. So here I already wrote A, B and C. You can write here X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, any alphabet, A to Z, any alphabet you can use here, but you must write it in capital letter. Now how will you write it? See, this symbol for triangle is always drawn like that. Okay, it's a small triangle shape. Then name it anti-clockwise, clockwise or any manner you want. Triangle, then ABC, second triangle, then BAC, triangle CAB, triangle CBA. Okay, you can write it in any manner that you want. Everything is right. I wrote here only 4, but you can write it in any other manner, no problem. So basically I want to say that naming process for the triangle is like that. Clear? Next I'm going to the angle part. Already I told you that there are three angles. So how can you denote the angles in the triangle? Because angle plays a very important role here in the triangle chapter. So how to denote this? You can see three angles are present here. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Now angle A can be written in the form angle BAC. Angle B can be written in the form ABC. And angle C can be written in the form angle ACB. Okay, both are same, just you have to put the actual angle in the middle of two vertices. That is, suppose for angle A, that must be between B and C. You can change the position of B and C, but you cannot change the position of A. That must be in the middle. Now I am going to the classification of triangle. That's very important. Basically, triangle can be classified into two categories, one angle wise, another side wise. Angle wise, there are three types. Today I will discuss about this topic. Okay, and side-wise classification I will discuss in the next class. So angle-wise, triangle can be classified into three categories. First is acute angle triangle, second is right angle triangle, third is obtuse angle triangle. One by one I will discuss these all, the definition, the criteria, the properties, and the diagram, everything I will discuss here, and the side wise that I will discuss in the next class. So for that, please subscribe Mathematics Didi. If you want to watch the video, then please subscribe Mathematics Didi. Okay, now I am going to the acute angle triangle. First tell me one thing, what is acute angle? Forget about the acute angle triangle. First you have to know what is acute angle. Acute angle means the value of the angle must be between 0 to 90 degree. That was the definition for acute angle. Now what will be the acute angle triangle? If all the angle of a triangle, all the angle means three angle in a triangle, there are three angles, so all the angle means these three angles. If all the three angles of a triangle lies between 0 to 90 degree, or all the three angles of a triangle are acute angle, then you can see this triangle is acute angle triangle. Here I have drawn a triangle ABC. You can see this is the diagram of an acute angle triangle. I named it ABC. So now you can see the angles are angle A, angle B, and angle C. Now to make the triangle acute angle triangle, the value of angle A, angle B, and angle C must be between 0 and 90 degree. That is the criteria that you have to make. I am giving here one example. Now comment down that will be acute angle triangle or not. Suppose this is the triangle where the first angle is 30 degree, second angle is 40 degree, and the third angle is 110 degree. Can you tell me, will it be an acute angle triangle? No. The answer will be no. Why? See, 30 degree, that lies between 0 and 90 degree. Acute angle, okay. 40 degree, that also lies between 0 and 90 degree. That is also acute angle. But 110 degree, that does not lies between 0 to 90 degree, that is greater than 90 degree. That is obtuse angle. So we cannot say that this triangle is acute angle triangle. Although the two angles are acute angle, but still as one angle is not acute, so you cannot say that the all over triangle will be acute angle triangle. I have drawn a diagram here. Comment down, will it be an acute angle triangle or not?